Hello everybody, welcome to Tigger Life. So today we're going to get the Audi S4 Avant B8.5 up in the air for the first time. You guys are actually going to see it for the first time at the same time as I am. So, well, I'm nervous, but I'm also excited. Are we going to find any rust, any leaks, any suspension wear? Oh, I don't know. Right, come on, let's just tear off the plaster and have a look. This is incredible. Okay, that's it, she's up in the air. Let's go and have a look underneath. Okay, so we'll start from the back. We'll have a quick walk underneath all the way to the front, and then we'll just have a look at a few things in more detail. Let's just get our first reactions. This is incredible. So would you believe this car is 13 years old? Look, I'm not joking. 62 plate. 13 years old. Well, it's nearly 14. It's 14 years old in November of 2026. It's March currently. This is insane. I can't believe this. It looks like brand new. Hey, oh, what's that? That's aftermarket. Guys, honestly, I can't tell you how pleased I am with this. So every single part of it still looks brand new. The only things that you can see is like a bit of road grime, and that's just from me driving it over the last 2 or 3 weeks. So like I said, it's a Japanese import, and blimey, it's obviously they don't have salt on the roads. It's true. This is incredible. I can't believe it. Right, so let's have a look in a bit more detail. I haven't got a hand free because I'm holding a light up as well as having my phone on. Hang on a minute. Okay, so let's have a look at a few things in a bit more detail. Boots still look brand new. Lower control arms still look brand new. I mean, these bushes are absolutely mint. Look at this. Okay, there's a bit of dust, but you'd expect that. Brake pipes look absolutely mint. We'll get the wheels off and have a look at the brakes in a bit more detail in a bit. Oh, I'm over the moon with this, honestly. I can't tell you how pleased I am. I know I've said it a few times already, but 13 years old, I mean, come on. That bush looks absolutely mint. Let's go onto the driver's side. Okay, yeah, perfect. Can't get over the condition of this. Okay, so let's go and check the exhaust all the way back. Slight bit of corrosion there. Has that been a bit of a leak over time? I'll see if I can nip that up a bit. It looks like a new exhaust. But I can guarantee you it isn't. Okay, so there's no leaks around the gearbox. Everything's all nice and dry and corrosion free. Prop shaft is in fantastic condition. Let's go and have a look at the diff and the rear drive shafts. It's just a bit of grime there, but absolutely no leaks. Let's see if I can get a bit more light in there for you. Brilliant. It's a bit more difficult to see the drive shaft over to the passenger side because the way the exhaust's routed, yeah, you can't really see that. Springs still look brand new. And while it's still all the way up in the air, let's just have a quick look at the brake pipes. Yeah, lovely. And the rear anti-roll bar is mint as well. Bushes are all fine. Okay, passenger side front. Those top arms look fine. Bushes are absolutely fine. This is just from where I've been driving it in the bad weather conditions. That wouldn't be from the roads in Japan, definitely not. Okay, let's have a look at the driver's side. Yeah, lovely. No complaints whatsoever there. Everything's absolutely spot on. Right, let's get those wheels off and we'll have a look at the brakes. Right, so I thought these pads were a lot more worn than this. I reckon there's about 10 mil left on these pads, and when they're brand new, they're on 12. So let's put a 10 mil feeler gauge in there. Yeah, it's about 10 or 11 mil. Fantastic. So yes, can you see 10 millimeters? That's how much life's left in the pad. When they're brand new, they're on 12 mil. Now, having a look at the discs, there is a bit of a wear lip. Not enough to warrant replacing them now. But what I will do is I'll replace those the next time I replace the pads. I can't really get my finger in there, so I'm assuming you know what you're looking at as well as I do. And that inner pad's absolutely fine. So looking at the rear brakes now. Rear pads are on 5 mil. You see that? 5 millimeters. And there's a bit more of a wear lip on these discs, so I'm probably going to have to replace rear pads and discs soon. I say soon, it's probably going to be a year by the time I've covered those miles, but I think that's the first thing I'm going to have to do. Now the wheels are off, you can just see so much more, can't you? I mean, look at all of this. It's absolutely incredible for the age. Very little to no rust. All of the brake hoses and the lines are all fine. All of the arms are in fantastic condition. Suspension's in fantastic condition. So what I was going to do, I mean, I wasn't hoping to find something wrong with it, but I was going to show you some things that are common to rust or start leaking on these things, but it just goes to show that the UK roads and the UK weather climate is just really harsh on cars. So yes, as I was saying, the UK climate is obviously really, really harsh on cars. Because with this car being a Japanese import, it is mint. So I said in my first video on the S4 that I was really dubious about getting a Japanese import, but I have to say, if you've got the opportunity of buying one, or any vehicle, performance vehicle that's a Japanese import, absolutely go for it. And what I'm probably going to do for my next car, I'm going to go and see the guy that I bought this off, and I'm going to ask him to get me another one. Not a B8.5, I might look for a B9 next time. Right, I think that's about as much as I can show you. We've gone over everything 2 or 3 times now, haven't we? Okay, while the wheels are off, we're going to take advantage and give them a good clean on the inside, because it's always really difficult to get that, isn't it? So let's go and give the wheels a quick clean before we put them back on. That's better. Look at that. Always remember, when you're putting your wheels back on, don't just gun the life out of it with an air gun. Get a torque wrench, check the proper torque settings for your car, and do it that way. Do it properly. 120 Newton meters for me. Perfect. There you go, guys, underneath the Audi S4 Avant B8.5. 13 years old. Are you as surprised as I am? Leave a comment in the description and let me know, because I've got to tell you, I'm absolutely over the moon. I can't believe how good condition it is. It's absolutely mint, isn't it? Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please do subscribe. It helps the channel grow. So, as always, be good to one another and love life. Always be good to animals. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks, guys.